Now I am going to work with the comment section. You see that in this case each particular post has a comment here and leave a comment field here. So I will do something. I am going to open the help text. Here you see for the comment and reply table, I get the idea from here. In the comment I will have the ID, I will have the post ID, because which post, under which post I am going to put the comment, the post ID will be here. The name of the person, email and comment will be here. Publish date, that means when the comment is published, and status, the comment is approved or pending, so it is important. So these are the fields 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And the replies, I will apply a reply also here, so that if a person click on reply, the reply comes here. So first fix the layout in the post page. You see that after tag there is a comment section, and this is the comment, this is the comment. Probably this is the thing I am going to check. Copy this, paste it here, refresh. Yes, it is coming. So the reply should be here. For example, in the here padding, I am going to use a padding left something. So this is one reply that comes here after some space here. And if I want to have another reply, so put another one here. Yes, this is a good system. That is the comment system and reply system. Okay, so you see that the main comments is okay. Now I am going to fix the table first. Okay, so I am going to create comments table. I will create two separate tables. One is comments table, 7 fields, and here fields are ID, then post ID, then there will be name, email and comment, and there will be post date, and there will be a status. A status is pending or approved, so here varchar 20 for example. Post date is date type, and comment is text. Name and email is varchar and 255. Post ID integer is okay. First one is primary auto increment. So now I am going to save the data, so that comment table is done. So when a person will go to put any comment, that will be shown there, and there will be a reply button. So I will activate the reply first here. Here you see in the comment reply is this, so it should be a pop-up. So the reply I will apply here in the pop-up, but I will work with the reply later. First I am going to work with comments. So just remove the reply system. Here I go here. So first one is name, email and comment, and then post comment. So a person will go to the comment here. This is the form, action nothing, post is okay. So first one is name. So ID is not needed here. Here ID equal to this one is not also needed. Required here name equal to name, name equal to email is okay. So ID not needed. And another is name is message, but here I will write name equal to comment. So name equal to name, name equal to email, name equal to comment, and then submit. Post comment. So here name equal to I am going to give form comment. So when it will be submitted, it will go to the top, right? So after here I am going to write the data. So that means here I can put something separately. So if is set post op, here is form comment, then there will be something. Okay, now if there is any error, then it will be error. So I am going to apply the login system here. That means here I am going to use the try catch block, copy. So in the post I am going to paste it, and in the comment first one is name. So name cannot be empty, email cannot be empty, email, and then there will be comment. So comment cannot be empty here. And then what will happen? Then if a person put a comment and everything, this does not empty, then the data will be saved into the database. So PHP insert, select insert into comments, and there was what was the information there? That is the post ID. So post ID, name, email, comment, post date, 1 2 3 4 5 6, post date, status. So what are the data? I am again going to check post ID, name, email, comment, post date, status. Post ID, name, email, comment, post date, status. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Name, so the first one is post data of ID, because I have the post data in my hand. So here you see the post data. So post data is in my hand. So here post data ID is in my hand. Post ID, post of name, email, comment, date equal to this, and it is pending. And then I will use the base URL, it is okay, and I will come back to the current comment. Okay, so request of slug, actually it is request of slug, no, here is post data of slug, and then here it will be post data of slug, even error message. Okay, that's good. Now I am going to click here. You see nothing is coming because name, in this case I am going to check. So name is required. If you want, you can show the required field here. It is okay, it is not bad. So an extra layer security is there. Front end, that is good. So name is, for example, Smith. Email is smith@example.com. This is a nice website. So if you want, if you now click here, you will see there is no error message showing, but an error message should be shown here. If you go to the login, this is the front end, so there should be an error message or success message, anyone should be here. You see it is added, but there is no success message, so I will have to show the success message, right? So here login calls the footer, also post calls the footer, and in my footer.php there is a toaster message. Okay, so let's check what is happening here. If there is any success message here, actually redirection, but I forget to post a success message. So success message will be this: comment success submit. It will be published after admin approval. Okay, so now this one is this one. So again go to push another comment, that is Peter. Peter@example.com. I want to make a similar website, how to contact you. So click on post comment. You see comment submitted successfully. So if there is no error, it will be submitted without any problem. You see now there are 2 comments under this post. So refresh, you see 2 comments, but these are pending. I am going to show all the comments that are not pending. So here in the comment section, when it is submitted, that means here I will show all the comments. So here PHP select, so select all from comments, select all from comments table, but here I will have, sorry, select all from comments table, and where actually nothing, order by if you want to show first comment first, second comment second, in this way, then order by ID ascending order, and it will be t1.id because I will use t1. I will join the data, that is posts t2, yes, 1, t1 dot post id equal to t2 dot id is okay, and here it will be t1 dot wall and t2 dot name. Name means post title, sorry, it will be title as post title, and slug as post slug if needed. So it is okay, and here the get id will not be here, so I am going to remove this. And result means all the comments, total if you want how many total comments, so in that case here is nothing something like that, but in the bracket you can put the total number. So in that case I am going to get outside of this. So here you can put like this on here, and in this case here comments equal to this, and total comment also I put here, that will be total comment. And in the comments here I put total comment, that means total comment here, and by default the total comment equal to 0, total comment equal to by default 0. Okay, now you can use in this way, if no comment then 0 showing, otherwise the total comment will be shown. So comments as comment single form, plural and single. Now here I am going to remove it, so end and start. So it will be something like that. Now I am going to cut this one from here, put it here. So this is my main comment, and I am going to remove another one, that is static. So all the comments will come in this way, and here you see the image. I am going to work with that later, but for now here you see the commenter is this one, that means the name. So PHP echo comment of name, so it will be here first one. I am going to copy this one, and this is the comment, that is comment of comment, and this is the post date, comment date actually, but as I already have written post date, so it is okay, and replace this, and this is the photo. So if I refresh, you see comment coming, Smith Peter, there is no error. The date is today date, it is also coming, and if you want you can format this date, that means here using the date comment of post date. Here you can use the date function and fzy in this way, and it will be comment of post date. Actually not post date, it is looks bad, so comment date. So comment date I put here, and if I do that in the top when I inserted the data, here it will be also comment date. So comment date will be there, and so I am going to change the structure, that will be the post date, it will be actually the comment date. So okay, now it will look good. So refresh, you see July 25 2025, nice website, and this is another comment. So Smith and Peter. And how these photos will come, the photos that are showing here, I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to create a new chat here, and here using the ChatGPT, I am going to ask him, that is avatar, I want to implement avatar here. Okay, this is my PHP code, this is my raw PHP code. In this comment photo, I want to implement avatar by email. how to change this code. So let's do that. Avatar by the email address, if there is any avatar image uploaded online for that particular email, then that photo I will put here, otherwise a default photo will be shown. So you see here the email is this, default is this, size is this, avatar is this. So they implement the thing for me, grab URL. Okay, so this is the important thing. First one is this. So in this case I am going to put this on. Here my email address is my database email address. So here comment of email and default equal to base URL uploads default avatar.png. Actually I have a default.png, so you can put that fallback. Actually it is very fallback. Okay, fallback photo, the default photo, avatar, trim email, this one, and here I will have to call grab URL. So let's do that. If there is no photo Smith, but as a default photo I want to show custom default. I do not want to show custom default photo. Pick one from CDN, from online. And now you will see default is MP. Okay, so that is better. MP. If I now put the default photo as MP, let's check what is going to be happened. Now if I refresh it, you will see a default one that is coming here. So the person who have no gravatar, then MP. If I use MP, there are some models. MP is on model, so in that case MP will be shown. But there is, you see, another one to use. You can you can replace MP with for example like this, replace MP with, for example, ident icon. Then it will write my code. Okay, ident icon. So these are total 4 items. Ident icon, if I use refresh, you will see this type of random photos will come here. If you use here another one, there are many other system, for example retro. If I use the retro, you can use this. You see this type of photo will come here. If you use robo hash, if I use this one, so like this, so if there is no photo, then this type of robot type photos will come here. So there is another one, the last one, monster ID. I can use the monster ID, and then if I refresh, you see this monster type photos will come. So anyway, I am not going to use that ident icon or MP. It is better, so I use MP simply. Who have no photo, so this type of photo will be shown. That is good. So I hope you understand how to work with the comment. But problem is here the comments are showing. I will not show the comment until they are approved. So here what I will do is, here I will stop showing those applying a condition. Order by is okay, but here I will apply where t1.status, where t1.status, and not all the photos will come, all the comments will load here. Only for this particular post this will be loaded. If you do not put any thing here, then what will happen? You see for this post it is showing, and if I go to another post, you see for here also this showing, but these are not the comments here. So here if I use the post ID only, no status, then check what it loads. If post ID equal to, this is the post ID. Okay, so here post ID means which is the post ID? Post ID means here actually post data of ID, right? So not the post ID, here it will be post data of ID. So if I apply this, you will see that here is no comment, and here in the bottom you can also show no comment found. So in that case, where there is comment 0, here you can apply, that means what I will write here, PHP if there is total comment is greater than is equal 0, then I will write no comment found end if. Okay, so here class equal to text danger, so be the first to comment. Okay, so no comments yet, be the first to comment. So it is the comments loaded here. But if you go to see the another post who has the comment, it is actually this is the comment. So only the particular item will have comment, not others. So this is okay, but the problem is here another one is needed, because I will apply here and t1.status equal to approved, must be approved, otherwise it will not be shown. But my comments are not approved or active yet, or here you can use here approved, pending and approved. So now you will see here no comments, because those are not approved by the admin yet. So in the admin panel I will create a system so that admin can approve the comments. Now I am going to the admin panel and I am going to create a section here for the comment. So let's go there, and then I will back again here, footer not needed, this is not needed, h-taxes not needed. Okay, so delete those. Now make those off, and now I am going to the admin panel, and admin panel I am going to create the comment section. So in the comment section I will have comment.php, because all the comment I will show here, or here comment view, you can, as all the all other items I call the view, so here I can call the comment view. And in the layout I will have a sidebar, and here I will copy this section and paste it. That is the comment section actually. And in the comment section I will have comment and reply, and so I am going to remove all other for now, and here it will be comment view. So I have one page that is comment view, other things I am going to remove from here. And here you see it will be comment view, it is okay, so comment. So refresh, you see comment section, comment. If I click here it will be comment view.php, but here nothing. So I am going to show the data, that means I can copy the data from post view for example, and then in the comment view paste it, and here view comments will be the thing. And for now here I am not going to put anything, view comments is okay. And in the case of comment, the main thing is name, email and comment. So here post title also okay, so post title, comment, name, email, that is also okay, or name, email first, then you can put the comment. So name, email, comment, status, action. Now here I am going to select the data from the comments table, and here it will be the posts. So here not subcategory, I am going to put here post of ID equal to this one, and others I am going to remove from here now. So order by t1.id, ascending or descending, that is descending is okay, you can also put the ascending. And why this is post title, post t2.title as post title, it is okay. And here the photo will not be shown in this way, it is actually not important. Here is the name, here I will show this one. So post title, name, email, comment, status, it is okay. And here you see this is not needed, so remove it. So in the case of comment, what the things I need it, for example to delete the comment or to approve it. So refresh, you see the status is pending, And the status you can change from here. That means you can make the thing more attractive. So if row of status equal to pending and approved, no other things will be here. So if the row of status pending, then it is busy danger. So here it is busy danger and it is busy success. Okay, so approved. And now if I refresh, you see pending. And here you can change the status if you want. If I click on change, for example, here you can make an anchor so that change, so status will be changed. And here you see if I change the status here, this is not needed, only the delete will be here. So it will be comment delete, where id equal to row of id. Okay, so this is change and this is delete. And action can be also that instead of showing on option there, here I can do one thing, that is comment delete and comment change status. So in this way you can also do that. So if you see this icon actually is it is not possible to understand by this icon what is the action here. So change status I give here, that is the text change status, and the delete, in this case I am going to write straight, that is delete. So you can show in this way. An action this item I am going to use here style equal wide 100 pixel, for example. So I need more space here, that is 150 pixel. Yes, so status and action is this. So in this way you can change the status. So the change status icon color I can use secondary. So it is better. No, it is not good. So info. So it is good now. So change status delete. So in both cases I will apply this one, that is are you sure. So here I can also apply this here also and here also. And the current status is showing here, that is pending or something like that. So all are showing as buttons, so it does not look good. So here it is better if you use here normal means div, and here you can use the class but not busy danger, class will be text danger. Okay, and here it will be text success in the case of approved. It will be better simple. So red color or green color the status. Now admin will do that, but here another thing I will show you. When you put the comment, admin will receive an email. That means when you are going to put any comment here, here I will send an email to the admin. So in the top like the forget password page or something like that, in the top I will have to call this one in the front end. So put it. Okay, and in the forget password the mail sending code was there, so I am going to copy, and here in my case just after sending the message, here I will send the message to the admin. So here getting admin email. So PHP select from users where id equal to 1, because the admin email is where id 1. So here is user data equal to not fetch all, it will be here in my case fetch, I remove other. So admin email equal to user data of email. So in this way I get the admin email, and the email will be sent to here to the admin email, and the subject will be new comment submitted, and email message will be a variable that I will have to write that new comment has been submitted on your post. So go to this link to see that comment. So here email message dot slash equal to, here in the admin URL I put comment view. So admin URL comment view dot php view comment. That is simple. So now let's go, let's do that. Here is, for example, another one. For example, Amanda at the rate of example.com, and here I am going to put the comment from this thing, lorem ipsum. Okay, so from lorem ipsum the comment is, for example, this one. I am going to put it here. So now I am going to click on post comment. You see email is going to be sent, so wait for some times. You see comment submitted successfully. Okay, after admin approval, and admin is receiving the comment. I am going to my mail trap. You see new comment submitted, received by admin at the rate of example.com, and here you see new comment submitted post. If you click here, admin will be straight go there. Okay, so in the admin panel you see this is the comment email and post title is this. So this is okay, and if you want you can change the status from the admin panel now. So in the admin can do two things. One is he can delete. I am going to work with the comment delete section first. So here write comment delete.php. So like the comment view, there is comment delete. So what is the function here? So comment delete means I am going to post, for example, the post delete. So copy the data from here, comment delete, paste it, and now I am going to delete the comment. So admin here is, if there is any error, then it will back to the comment view page, and then from the comments table I am get the data where this one comment info is this, and here is comment info comment view, and there is no feature photo, so I am going to remove it. From the comments I will delete the data, and here it will be comment deleted successfully comment view. So it should be very simple. You see now there are total 3 comments. If admin wants, he can delete it. You see it is deleted. Now if I go here, yes, it is deleted. Simple. Now if I want to change the status, similarly like this, I am going to copy and comment change the status.php, right? So here I create comment change status.php. So here paste it. Now comment change the status, comment view is okay. I will first check if the request, that means the ID, is okay or not, and comment change the status, select all from comments, so all comment info will be here. So change the status means not delete. So here the existing status I have to update, and so I write here update the status of the comment. So if the comment info of a status, you see comment info in my hand, if the status is pending, new status approved, it is okay, else new status equal to pending, great. Then update comments new status where request of ID equal to this, great, it should work. So now go here, if I want to make this status change, you see it is approved, great. And if I want change the status again, you see it is pending. So when you will change the status, if you want, you can send the email to the email. You can again write the code to send the email to the person, like this one here. After this you can call this one and send email here, change the status successfully, and send email to the commenter. So here similarly what I did here, in this case I am going to copy the full data here, and status change here, it will back to the user. Here I can write the comment, that is the status of the comment has been changed to new status, that is okay. Please visit the following link to view your comment, and here the base URL post will be this. You can view all the comments in the admin panel. You can also know email message, it is not needed. Admin email equal to know the email to whom it will be sent. I am going to remove it now. Now let's check the status of your comment has been changed to this. It will be sent. Okay. So here I concat like this, and please visit the following link to view your comment. Here write this double beer, and in this link post.php id, here it will be post slug comment info of comment info. Here is no slug, so I do not have the post data in my hand, so I can show the post data. So getting the post data, getting the post slug. So here you will be select all from post slug, select wall from posts where id equal to post of id. Comment info post of id is the post id. So with this id I go to the post and get the data. Okay, post info and slug equal to post info slug. So this slug is the main slug that I will need here, post of slug. So like this, so view post, so it is okay, and send the information to the commenter. That means you see the comment info is in my hand, so comment info of email. So here it will be comment info of email, so like this. And here in the subject line comment status changed, so you can back to the previous page. That is good. So now let's change the status. You see now in this post there is nothing. If I approve this, wait for some times to send the email, you see status changed and it is okay. If you now go here, you will see comment status changed and he is receiving the email. Status was changed to approved. Please visit the following link. If he comes here, he will be able to see the comment. His comment is published here. So you see the on comment is showing. So admin can change the status of approved another comment. So he is going to approve it, and you will see again another one is coming here, and also the Smith is going to receive the email. So refresh, and now Smith is going to receive it. Okay, see smith@example.com. So you see the admin approval system of the comment is working. So next task is to work with the reply system. Now the next important thing is the reply section. So how I can work with the reply section? You see that here is the reply, and this is a nice website. Okay, reply, I want to make similar website, it is okay. How to contact? Okay, so separate types of reply. Okay, so now I am going to close something from here. That means this on comment view. Okay, now in the case of reply in the front end, that means post.php, here you see this was my comment, and in each comment there is a reply, but here is a hash. So I am going to remove it because I will have to apply the bootstrap here, and I am going to show you how to do that. So bootstrap 5, if you want to check, that is bootstrap 5 accordion, not accordion, it is modal. So modal effect is needed. So just go to the link that comes from online, and you will see that here is the save change launch demo modal. This is important. This type of modal I will need. So class is no problem. Here is these two items I need to copy, and here I just paste it here. Data toggle modal, bs toggle modal, and target. So now I am going to copy the next thing, that is the content. So modal content is this. So I copy this, and before ending this loop I will call that modal. That can be anywhere. I can put it here. The modal starts here, and here I can show that the modal ends here. So in this way I am going to copy and make it formatted. So like this. So this is the modal, and instead of modal title I will write here, that is change the submit or reply. Write reply, for example, write reply. So here is button. I am going to check what is going, if it is really working or not. In order to check, if I click reply, yes, the pop-up is coming. You see there is close button here, and in the bottom there is close button. So in both cases I do not need that, so I am going to remove the footer. I will only work with this one. The close button in the top is okay because this one is okay. And now I am going to have the to reply to the comment. Which comment I am going to reply is important. So here I am going to do, that is form post. Here it is needed here, and MB3. So what I write here, that is this was the form. So similar form I can copy and paste it here. Now let's check if it works or not. So here the form will be form reply, and here it will be submit, and all other things will be same here. So let's do that. But before going to do to go there, here I am going to check something, that is the example model ID. If it is the ID, then I must have to change it. So instead of example model, here I write reply model. This is ID, but to make it unique of each iteration, I will have to write here something like I. Okay, so how I get the I? So outside of this I take a variable I equal to 0, and when I will be into the loop, here I plus plus. So that will be dynamic, and this model will be called dynamically, because in each iteration, first iteration the ID will be reply model 1. So here 1, and here same name, reply model 1. In the second iteration it will be reply model 2, here also reply model 2. In this way it will work. So click here. Okay, so this one, and if you click here, so comment for this one. So in this way actually. Now I am going to make it workable. So here if any person go here to for the reply, so it will be posted as the reply. So here you see form action is okay, and form reply is okay also, and that means it will be submitted to here. So you see the form comment was this one. So for the reply I will create another table. That means here I am going to operation and copy the table, and copy table to where replies. So I will structure copy only and go to this one. So another thing I am going to open in new tab. You see this is replies. Here another thing I will add here after post ID is the comment ID. So here just go there and comment ID. So in the comment ID it is okay. So go to structure, you will see this is comment ID and this is post ID. So this is okay. So I am going to check it, and here if you want to reply this one, so name, email and comment you put and reply here. Now I am going to check it. Or here another thing can be happen, that if any person want to reply this thing, it is possible to reply by him. For example, I am going to reply, and but okay, table is created, so I can copy the code from here. So okay, I just copy the same code that I did in the case of comment, and here I am going to paste it, and here it will be form reply, and name, email, comment similar, it will be replies. Only one extra item is here, that is the comment ID. And so here I add another data, and after the post ID, if I want to show the comment ID, how it will come here, post data of ID, and the reply comment ID, how I get it. You see, when I am into this loop, that means into the comment loop, that means here, so I have this comment as comment. So I have the comment ID in my hand, comment of ID, that I am going to send into here. So I am going input hidden, and comment ID will be what, that is the value of comment of ID. Okay, so this comment ID will be posted as post of ID. So form reply, here it will be post of comment ID. So post of ID is this, post data of ID. I am into which page that page is loading, and name, email, comment, date, and pending, that is okay. So getting admin email, new reply has been submitted on a post. Go to this link to see that reply. So here comment view, here it will be reply view reply, and now here new reply submitted, it will be reply submitted successfully, it will be published after admin approval, and these are the post data. So that is okay, perfect. So the reply that is under Smith, here I am going to give John Doe, for example. John, this is a normal user, for example. Robert @example.com. You are correct. This is a nice website. The UI is very excellent. So something like that. A person replies here, submit. It is going to be sent to the admin's email, and you will see reply submitted successfully, and that will not be shown here. It is okay, and replies are all here. So after the approval it will be shown, but I am going to do something in the case of replies. When the comment is here, after this the replies will be shown here after the modal. So here I can show all the replies. So reply, this is the comment section. Okay, so here I put here something like that, like this model, so here it will be comment, and comment will be here, that will be comment here. And what will be the reply? I am going to copy this section, and all the replies under any particular comment will be shown here. So replies or reply section will be this, and here the padding left will be, for example, 64 pixel. So if this and this reply will be into another loop, that means when I am into the comment here, so all the data from the comment will be shown here. And how I can show all the replies? If there is no reply, nothing is okay. So but this data is important, so from here to here. Okay, so this data I am going to show on the reply. So that means into each particular section, so here I will write total reply, and here j equal to 0. I am not sure, it will probably not needed. So statement 1, here I will check, it will be replies table, and there are two types of things here. That is the comment actually is not important here to show, that is the replies is okay. Reply post ID, so it is okay. Select all, here statement 1, here statement 1, here statement 1, here I will write replies. So the replies will be total reply. And here you see fetch all is okay, statement 1, and here replies, total reply, okay. And the next step that was here was for each, this one. So this one I will have to write here just before it starts. So PHP, and here for is it will be replies as reply. So variable will be like this, and into here I will call the loop, then the content will be here my reply. So I am going to paste it. So it will be all replies as reply. And here you see, if there is no data found, then into here I put no replies found, but here it is not needed. Let's let's go to check how it looks like. Replies, and instead of comment it will be reply. So reply of email will be here, gravatar will be same, and here it will be reply of name, and here I am going to check what is there. That is the reply of name, reply of comment date, reply of reply date, okay, reply of comment, reply of actually comment is okay, comment. So let's go there. If I want to change, this is not comment, it will be actually reply here. So change it, reply, comment reply, sorry, it will be only reply. And another is comment date, it will be here reply date. So reply date, so reply and reply date. Okay, so here I am going to show comment date, it will be reply date, and instead of comment it will be reply. So here I am Moodle, here you see there is nothing need to have the reply link here. So I delete it, and I hope others will work. And here if I do not give anything by the status, now just remove it. Now refresh, uncaught variable. So what is happened here? Here is status approved. For now I am going to make it off. So now let's check. You see the reply Robert is coming for both the Smith and Robert, same thing. Why? Because the comment is not here. So reply comment is important here. I will need to have the comment ID, the comment data where I am that is working. So from the replies table I am going to get the comment ID hot and status hot. Okay, so comment ID is comment section ID and status is approved. Okay, now it will not shown, you see nothing shown. But if I just remove the status again from here, only the status remove, then you will see that the comment is the reply is showing. Okay, so working. So let's go back. Status is needed here, otherwise nothing will be shown. The status will be approved by the admin, then only it will be shown. You see that when there was a reply, admin will receive a email, new reply submitted, and from here admin will be able to click here, but there is nothing by the reply view.php. So I am going to the admin, and here I will create, that is reply view.php. And in this case I am going to copy the comment view. Okay, so all the data copy from here, and in the reply view paste it. And in this case, in the layout sidebar, I will have to put the reply, that means copy and paste it. And here I am going to write reply view, and it will be reply view, and it will be reply. And here I am going to add this on, that means this is reply view. So now if I go to the admin panel, here you see the comment was here and reply will be here, but I will have to change something in here, that is view replies, and this is not this table, this will be the replies table, so it will be replies. And here the post is okay, like before, the post title and everything is okay. And here also a reply, and it will be reply here. So this is everything okay. So if you refresh, you see that the data is here. So pending. So this was the reply. If I go to the replies table, you see this is the Robert and this is his reply, but in which comment he replies is not here. So here I will write the reply, and the comment data what I will show here. The comment post title was okay, but the main important thing was the comment. So here if I go here, you see this is the reply, it is okay, but the comment how I can show here, because there is no more space here, so space is limited. So here I can show the comment here. So reply and comment was I am going to show the comment ID was here. So I am going to check the comment from the comments table, right? So here it was approved, this is reply. Here I can do something, that is and here I can write the comment. This is a comment. So let's check it, something like that. So comment was this. If I want to show it, sorry, here I can use the bold B. So now refresh. Comment was this, reply is this, where comment was this. In this way you can show it, that is okay. So let's go to the table, that means comment table, to get the comment name. So PHP select all from comments, where ID was here. So what will be the ID here? Now I am going to give the row of comment ID, and then here is statement. I am going to give 1. Here is 1. Here is also 1. And here I am going to show the face wall. Instead of face wall, it will be face and result on of comment. So echo result on of comment. So let's check it. Yes, this is a nice website. So the reply was for this comment, this is a nice website. So this is the post title. So pending. So change the status is also okay, and delete. So two types of thing I can do here. So reply change the status will be here. So reply change the status.php I am going to create here into admin this space, that is reply change the status.php. So it will be like the comment change the status. So I am going to copy the data from here and reply change the status, paste here. So it will be admin is going to give here reply view, and from the replies table, I am going to get the information reply info, and then reply view. If no data, here you see getting the post slug. So post slug will be from the post, where the reply info will be this and post info will be this, post slug. This is okay. Update the status of the reply. Here reply info status equal to pending, then this, and here I will update the replies table where status equal to this. Email to commenter. Here I see the status of your reply has been changed to this. Please delete the following link to be your reply. It is okay. Slug is okay. Comment info. Here I will give the reply info. Reply status changed. This should work. So I change the status. Okay. So you see it is going to be sent. You see reply status has been changed and approved. Now if I go to refresh, you see the reply is showing here, and here a new email will be sent to the Robert, and he will see this one. So from here he can instead go to post and see his reply where there is comment. So in this way the reply is working. But here one thing to mention, if admin wants to give, admin just approved this, okay, but if admin wants to give the reply of this comment, how he can do that? So admin cannot give reply to reply, he will give reply to comment. So comment was this is a nice website. Here he give this. So admin wants to give thanks, okay, to Smith for this. So how he can do that? So here he can apply another thing, that is reply. That will be the admin reply. So how I can do that? I am going to close this. One thing here I still did not do, that is the deletion task. So let's complete the deletion first. So reply status change is okay. So here I am going to add another file into the admin, that is reply delete.php. so it will be like the comment delete. So I am going here and then copy all the data from here and reply delete, paste it. So it will be reply view and replies, and it will be reply info and reply view. Here replies, from the replies table it will be deleted back to previous. Okay, so let's check it again. For example, the Peter has something like this, example.com sss submit. You see unknown column comment on 2 number line in the front end, on to hot unknown column comment. So here in the reply I change it. So reply will be the column name now, because I already have changed it. So it is okay. Now let's resend it. Undefined array key reply. So let's do this another time. So again go to here, sss example.com undefined array key reply. So name, email, reply, comment date. Sorry, here it will be reply date also. So reply and reply date. So here it will be reply, and here reply view, and now it should work. You reply cannot be null. Why it is showing null? I am going to check the form now. Carefully I will have to do that. Leave a comment, it is okay, and here reply is inside here. So when I give here the reply, the form name is important here. So where is the name? So the form is not here. The form is actually here. So it will be the reply, like comment ID is okay, but here the name will be reply, and here it will be reply. So now let's do that. Continue, it will not work. So again try. So Peter, here you see reply, example.com submit, you see comment cannot be empty. So the validation for the comment, here it will be reply, form comment it is okay, form reply. So here I will have to give the reply, reply cannot be empty. So now again do that. I am going to check, yes it is empty still now. So let's do that again. Example.com submit, yes, now the email is going to be sent. Just wait for some times. Reply submitted, okay. So I get the email to the admin panel, and admin will receive this. So reply. Now I added this because I want to delete this one. So if I click on delete, if it will delete or not I will check. You see the reply is this on sample. So now I am going to delete it. Yes, reply is deleted. So you see it is deleted. So in this way you can delete any reply, it is okay. So now you will see that the deletion completed. Now I am go back to the comment. So let's go back to the comment, reply delete close. So it is close. So if admin want to straight reply any place, then reply change the status, no. I will go to the comment view. So my comment view is here. So instead of change the status, I will need post data and comment data in my hand, and then I will send the data here. But how you will understand that if it is admin reply or any other person reply? So in the case of replies, here you can reply by. Okay, so here I add another one after a status, that is reply by. So I put here varchar 10 character, for example, and all the replies that was reply by user, so another user, no problem. And here special will be reply by admin. So reply by will be another place in the post. So where there is a post, I again go here, insert into replies, but here will be reply by. So here after a status, reply by, and here I am going to put here this, and here reply by will be user. Okay, straight I will call it the user. Whoever reply from the front end, he will be user. And it is okay, it should work. I will show you that. But in the comment, here admin will see and comment and reply. So admin will see reply by. So reply view, I am going to the reply view in the admin panel, and here I am going to show reply by. So in the case of reply by, here I am going to show it reply by. So you will see that reply by user. So status approved is okay, and in the comment is always by user, so nothing to give here. And in the case of comment, I will apply another one in the action. So I go back to the comment view, and in the action, that means here I will apply with the change status, I will give here the reply. So here I put here, that is the reply. And here button, here it can be instead of info, it can be primary. And here anchor, I am going to remove it for now. So it is like something like that. So in order to bring those in online, so I put here 200 pixel. So let's check it. Yes, everything in one place. So when I will click on reply, then a model will come. So it will be similar to the post. So I am going to the post of the front end. So that means this one. No, the post was here. So I use a model here like this one. So the model call is this. So I copy the data from here, and in the case of comment section, where there is a reply class is okay, there is nothing to confirm here, remove it and just add this one, that is model and reply model. This is for the admin. So I already is given here, so I is okay. And here you see the model content is this, so I copy the model from here. And in this case, I am going to put this one just before ending the iteration. So after tr, I just add this reply model is okay, I is okay. So here the comment ID is important in some cases, so it was the comment, but in my case it is the row. So I am into the which table, the comment table. So here I can put comment row of ID, this is comment of ID, and other things are simple, name and email and reply, and then submit form reply. So it will be submitted to the top like the post, whereas the form reply email will be sent. So here I copy the data, and in the top after here I paste it, and now I am going to copy the form reply section from here to here. So copy this, and in the comment view, in this place I paste it. So this is the form reply that was given here. Okay, so After the form reply, name, email, reply, everything comes in the replies table. It will be saved. Only reply by will be changed. It will be admin, and as it is admin, so it will be straight approved. So comment ID will be the post of comment ID and post data of ID. Here you see there is no post data, so post ID is important. So here when I show all the comment data, post title, right? So in the comment table post ID was there, so I put another field here as the hidden, that means here post ID. So here I also send the post ID, and post ID was what? Post ID was post ID here, row of post ID. So post ID is the thing here, so I go back to here. So it is post of post ID, and comment ID is here, name, email, reply, reply date, approved, admin, and select all from here. You see users. Users means to whom it will be sent. So it will be sent to the not admin email, as this is a reply. What I did in the case of reply, I check it now. Who is receiving it in the post? When you are going to, okay, that is okay, but in the case of admin, it will be sent to the user. So getting the admin email will not be here in the comment. New reply has been sent on a post. Go to the link to see that reply. So here I am going to follow another one, is that is change the status. In the change the status, I send something here. So that means here new status is okay. The status of your comment has been no, it is okay. A new reply has been submitted on new. Who is actually going to get that thing? Who is the comment? Who post the comment? Actually, it is going to whom? When a person is going to give any reply, admin is going to reply actually the Smith, the commenter. So comments table person email is the person here. So I am going to give here new reply has been submitted. Your comment has a reply, or here I can give your comment to a post receives reply from admin. Please check. So what he will check? He will actually check base URL, and here he will check the post. So post, and here slug is important. So how I can show the slug? You see the post ID is in my hand by this, so here I will get the slug. So here if there is any method, yes, getting the post slug, copy this, paste it. So from the post table I get where the ID. So post ID is equal to here post of post ID, post info slug. So this is slug, so this is slug. View reply, okay. And here as I have the data in my hand, the comment is important. So replies is okay. You see this is the comment ID. So as I have the comment ID in my hand, so I can go to the comments table to get the data, get the commenter email. So from the comment side ID equal to post of comment ID, okay, I get the comment info. So commenter email equal to comment info of email. So commenter email is the email here. So new reply submitted to your comment by admin. So reply submitted successfully. Here will be nothing because admin will see the same page, and admin is showing the comment view. So header location is comment view, right? So comment view.php. So this one, and if there is any error, it will be comment view.php. so let's check it. If admin wants to give any reply to this or reply to this, you see name, email, reply. Admin already logged in here, so why needed name and email? It is actually no need to have this. Automatically it will be fill up. So name and email not needed in this case, sorry. So I am going to do something here, that is in the admin modal this is not needed and also this is not needed. So sorry, this is not needed. Only the reply will be here, and here you see form control, padding. Here I write height 200 pixel for example. So refresh, you see reply. Okay, submit. So admin will just give the reply and submit. So what will be inserted into the admin panel? Nothing about the name and email, so remove it. So here name and email will be what? It will be the session of admin, that means session of admin name, and here will be session of admin email. So if I go to reply, that means nice website, I want to reply here, thank you, I will make more nice website soon, for example. Give anything, submit. You will see it is waiting to submit it. Comment view.php, sorry, it will be admin of comment view. So the email that it is showing, that is the admin URL. I am into the admin panel now. So okay, anyway, so if you go to the reply, you will see reply by admin, and here if you go to replies, you see approved, because admin is sending the data, it will be automatically approved. And here you see as this is approved, it is showing, but how you can understand that he is an admin? And in the case of admin, the photo you can show instead of avatar, you can show the photo from the admin, but I will show you, no problem. And in this case I want to show this. So this task is complete. I am going to the post. So go to the post, and here you will see that before going there, I am going to show mail temp. You see the Smith is receiving this one, and if Smith click here, he will be taken to the post, so there is no error, so it is okay. Now let's go back, and in the front end here I will maintain it now. So let's go to the post.php. how I understand that he is an admin? So let's go to the reply. So in this case I am going to here, that means all the replies is going to show here. So if he is admin, so what a special thing I can do, I can use a badge here that he is admin, just after the image comment author comment text. After the comment author section here, if I want to apply any div admin refresh by admin, okay, so it is the admin reply. Okay, so now I will apply condition here, that if it is the reply, right? So if reply by equal to admin, reply by equal to admin, then I put admin reply, but it will be into a base. So span admin reply, base warning admin reply. Let's check how it looks like. Yes, You can use like this admin reply. So in this way you will understand that this reply is sent by admin. And in this case I will use the photo for the admin. If he is admin, if reply by admin, so copy this. In this case where there is image, I will show if reply by admin, this thing will be happened. Otherwise PHP else this, and then here I will use end if. And if admin, what will happen? So I will just copy and paste it here, and it will be the admin. So image, here it will be something like that, echo base URL and uploads, and it will be the admin photo. So not like that. So if I want to get the admin photo, if there is any admin data, I'm not sure, but here I can do another thing, that is get admin email or admin data. So here get admin data, but not here. I cut it, I go to the top of the page. So I am going to get admin data here and remove this. Here get admin data. So select all from users when ID equal to 1, and then admin, not admin email, it will be the admin data, it is not needed. So now admin data of photo is the admin photo. So here go to back, and here, not here, I am going to reply, and here apply this, that is PHP echo admin data of photo will be here. So this will be the admin photo. Alternate name is not actually needed here. So this is perfect, I hope. Now refresh, you see the admin photo is coming from the admin database. And if admin now wants to reply, here I want to make similar website, how to contact. So for example, he is going to reply here, I want to make similar, how to contact you. You can contact me via the website's contact page. Okay, submit and wait for it. And here if I refresh, you see it is coming. The mail tab will receive a new thing like this, and here if you refresh, you see it is coming as the admin reply, and here you will also see the reply, that is by admin. Now I am going to show all the latest news in the home page. You see there is a main news section, another news section, another news section. It actually depends how you will show the news in the home page. If you have separate types of design, you can show more news, but this is the latest news. Just keep this in your mind, and I will do the code like this. So after the news sticker section, where there is the latest news is here, you see the design is separate. So what I will do is I will here check total last 3 items, and okay, you can do it many ways actually, so it depends on how you will program it. So here I am going to do, that is the photo. This section I am going to keep completely separate. Okay, so now I am going to call here something, that is the latest news. So PHP select. So it is from the posts where here is no where, so limit on. So last on, here is order by ID descending limit on. So the last on post will be shown here, only one post I will get in this way. So here I can show the latest post. So latest post data is in my hand now. So I have the latest post of featured photo in my hand. The category name is important here, and here you see post of Slack. It is okay. Latest post username, but latest post username will not work because I did not use this one. That means T1 join query I will have to use, that is subcategories T2 on T1 subcategory T2, it is okay. Then another one, join categories T3 one. Here I write T1 dot category means T3. So T1 dot category ID equal to T3 dot ID, and then not this, here will be join users T4, T1 dot user ID equal to this, where here not T1, here you see this is T1 dot ID. Okay, so latest post will be in this way, so I can use the username in this way, and also the here I can show the latest post update here, and here I will write the latest post of subcategory name, that I will have to define here T1 dot this and T2 dot name as subcategory name and T3 dot name as this and T4 as username. Now if I refresh, you see it is coming without any problem. Dhaka is showing here, it is showing, so there is no problem at all. And the next two items here, if you click here, it will take you to the post detail, but not working, so I will have to link this one. So here just here PHP echo base URL and then post, and then I need slug, so echo latest post of slug. So now let's check it. If you do that, post of this slug, and this is the date. What is happening here? The title, where is the post title? Post title was here. I am going back to previous from here. I go back. Okay, so refresh. So what is happening here? Okay, I go, actually this is the thing. So here I will click. So when I will click on not date, I will click on this title, so that means the slug will be in the title. So latest post slug already there, so refresh, you click here, it is taking you to the latest post, so it is working. Now I am just going to show this type of thing. Here this one, latest two post, that means you see this is the inner two items will come here. First one is this and second one will be this one. So it is good. So the similarly I am going to use it. I am going to use this. So here latest two posts, actually not two posts, second and third post, latest second third post or something like that, no problem at all. So how I will show those data here? So here I am going to check here was this, but here will be multiple, right? So I will not limit here one, I am just going to do this limit 2 is okay, I think. So let's do it for fetch all, and here I am going to show for is this one is post. Okay, so like this PHP. Now I am just going to cut this and paste it here. Sorry. So featured photo will be here. Okay, here post subcategory is okay. Here I am going to remove and add this one, it is also okay, slug and title. And here the user will be here. Actually this is not needed, remove it. Username is okay, and here will be the date. So here date will be status time post of post date, so it is okay. So now I am going to check. So you see 1 2 3 total 3 items are showing, but it will be only 2 items. So here instead of limit you can do one thing. If you do this, it will show all the items, right? But I only will show 2 items. So here DESC, here I put that is, I put a variable I equal to 0, and here when I'm there I am going to put I plus plus. So if I equal 1, then I will continue, and here I will write if I greater than 3, then break. So 2 items will be here. So do that, sorry, not like this, because I equal to 1 continues. So here 2, value of I equal to 2 continues. So these 2 items will be shown. So total 3 items will always be shown here. This is the latest item, this is the second latest, and this is the third latest. So here I put second and third latest items. So okay, so refresh. Yes, it is working. If you click here, it will take to the particular post. If you click here, it will take you to the particular post here, but not working. Why? Base URL slug is okay. Okay, why it is coming? The last one will not be here, and here I have something wrong here in the logic. Here it will be 2, not 2, it will be 3. So like this. Yes, so go here. Yes, it is working. Go here. Yes, it is working. And habit and football, I am not going to work with that this now. I will work with that later, but for now you see it is working. So here if you click here, it is also working. So latest news, here it is working, and here it is also working. Now I am going to show the category wise post here in the home page. You see the national posts are here, sports posts are here, and here you see all the news or something like that. So how you can do this, I will show you. So in this case, I am going first to show the national or sports, this type of things. Okay, so now I am going to check in the posts. If you see, you will see that there are many posts. That is, for example, post by here, not actually here. I am going to the categories. You see that there are some categories show on home page, right? 1 2 3 4. So which category will be show on home? I will check it first. So after this, advertisement, and here you see search section, then news of category. Okay, so categories are showing here, that is show on home, that is not a problem. So here you see national showing, national, sport, technology, travel. So I keep the travel. I am going to the category, I am going to show on home, for example sport and travel, and national not needed to show on home, so update it. Also technology not need to show on home. So 2 items will be shown here now. So one is a sport, another one is travel. Other items are not here, but this gap does not look good. So I bring here another one that can be technology, that is okay. I put the technology. So 3 items. So you see the sport, technology, and travel. So total 3 items are here. So if you want to show in this way, I am now going to show the data. So that means all the posts I will show here now. You see that all the categories are here. Now when I am going to show the data, then all the news I will show here. So here first the latest one will be here, and the rest 4 ones will be here. So the last one, that means here I am going to check. This is the right side item that is showing here. If I want to show 1, 2, 3, 4, so total 4 items are showing here as the right side item. So I will just keep one and repeat it. So remove this one and this one and this one. So here I am going to show, that is from the post I will get the data. So from PHP select, so from the posts table, and I am going to check the data from the category like this. Okay, so a statement, and here you see the result. Instead of result or row, I can show here categories. Okay, so categories as category. So category, so this category will be here, and in the left side is this, and here it is. Okay, so this will be the statement 1 because the statement was already used here. So in all cases I use the statement 1. So now here I am going to show the data, that is the posts. So here it will be posts as single post, so something like that, and remove this one, and here I will show the data. So here from the right side, this one will be run as a loop here. So I put it so like this. Now let's check it. So now I am going to show the data. So post where, so particular this category post I will have to show. These are the main categories. So here I will write where category ID will be which one. So category ID means here category of ID, and posts are here. Okay, the post here, instead of photo I am going to show the post of featured photo, and the post has select all. Here you see, sorry, select all, and here from post where category ID, but here I am going to select here, for example this is table 1, join subcategories T2 on this one, then join categories T3 as this, then join users like this, and this one is T1 dot category ID, and it is T1 dot wall, and T2 dot name as subcategory name, T3 dot name category name, T4 dot name at username. So it is okay. So here international, here I can put here subcategory name, and this can be the post title, this can be the username, and here it will be the post of created at, not created at, it is post date. So it is okay. I am going to refresh. You see cricket and football, 2 items are showing under sports category, 2 items. Technology has only 1 item, just skip the left side, and travel has no item in the right. So I can show the post where there is a travel. Here I can change the data to travel. So here I can give here travel adventure update, and if there is travel adventure, so there is car is okay, not business. Here is adventure and travel, this can be 2 keywords, and I update this. So I bring on data in the travel category. You see that is showing here. So travel is showing, but in order to show the data here, actually 4 or 5 total 4 or 5 posts will be here, otherwise the data will not show good. So sports category I can have many other posts. I will add posts, no problem. So if you want to add post here, it is also okay, I will do that. but for now check that it is working. Cricket, football, this left side I will have to fix it now. So I am going to check the left side right now, but here I will show only one post. So here I can show posts, the last single post or the latest post, something like that. So I am going to copy this, and here I am going to paste it just in the left side. I put the data, but there will be no for is, and here just simple. But here I will have to call where this on, and here order by I miss here. That was order by t1.id desc limit on. So I need only one data here, where category id equal to this. So latest post. So this is a single data, so I can easily call it by here, that is the PHP echo latest post of featured photo. So featured photo, and here I can use latest post of subcategory name. Here it can be latest post of title. Here I can use the latest post of username, and here also I can use this one. And here actually there is no short description anywhere, so I should not put any short description here. It will be better, I think. And if you want, you can show the short description. It depends actually, but short description showing in one place and in other place not showing good. But if you want, you can do that. So here you can show 10 to 150 characters as the description. That is also good. Automatically it will come like this. So you can also show in this way. So latest post of description up to a certain limit. And here you see in the right side I will have to call the data, but here I miss the order by id descending limit 3. It is very important. So here you see 1 and 2 showing here, but the first one I will have to remove from here. So for example, z equal to 0, and for is here if you put z plus plus, if z equal 1, continue. If z less than greater than 3, then break. But here I do not need to have set any limit here. Descending is okay, but no limit I set here. Limit is set checking by here the break. So how many items will show here? You see, if I put one item, then here nothing will be shown. If I give 2 items, that means this one and this one, total 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I should write here 5 items. So but there are no other items, so it is not showing, but it should work. If you click here, it should take you to the detailed post page, but now it is not doing that. So I will have to write the code to show the slug here. So title is here, so I will have to write here that is echo base URL, then post slug, and here it will be PHP echo post of slug. But I think there will be an error here. I'm not sure. It is post lorem ipsum. No, it is working. So there is no error because the post data. Okay, so post means the single post. Yes, it should work. So post slug will work here. So similarly, what I did in the case of slug here, I am going to copy this, and I am going to this static portion for the latest post, and here I also call this, but here it will be latest post of slug. So instead of showing this, latest post of slug will be here. So now let's refresh. You see, if I click here, it will take to the particular post. So it is working actually. Technology has one post and travel has one post. So I am going to check other posts. So here this one can be travel, So I am going to give here the travel and explore. So this one, so it comes here. Okay. So sports is okay. Lifestyle, here what I can do, the travel, I select travel adventure. Okay. So now let's do that. So total 3 items is under the travel, and more 2 items will look better. And technology has nothing, so technology has computer, only 1 items is in the technology here. Here I put it technology also, so technology computer. Okay, so it will be computer, technology, computer programmer, so something like that. So update. So if I refresh, you see technology is coming here. If you click, it is taking you to the particular page. So okay, so something is working here. I will fill up the data, no problem. I will add more post, but that is not my main concern now. I will do that, no problem. But for now, all the data are showing here. So my next task will be to show the see all news, because this is an important thing here, to show all the news by this category. Now in this section, if I click on see all news, it will show the category wise news, because here is category. And here you see, if I select category and subcategory search, then where it will go? It will also take me to the category wise news. So that is an important thing here. So for now I am going to show it, and there is a template here. So I am going to check my template. So that means here is the category.php. So there is a category.php page. That means this page where all the data will be shown by the category. So what will be the category and what will be the subcategory is important here. So now I am going to check it so that you can understand. So see all news, that means I am going here, that means see all news, so it is okay. So here I will pass the user to the echo base URL, and then category.php question id equal to what, category.php, or here I can show show all or show.php or something like that. Category question category equal to this, and here subcategory equal to, or subcategory id equal to this. So that means category equal to here category id, it can be the category id. You see when you are showing all the categories, so it is category id equal to this, and subcategory here is empty, but in this case there is no subcategory. Okay, so there can have subcategory or not category, or not subcategory. For example, if I click here, you see category id 4, subcategory empty, that is okay. If I click here, you see category id 2 and subcategory empty, so that is also okay, right? And if you want, you can also show the slug instead of category and subcategory, because I show all the slug here. So it actually depends how you want to show that. So if you want to show the subcategory, the categories table means I have the slug in my hand, so you can just put the slug, so it can be like this. Which slug? Category slug. And what will be the subcategories in that case? Here in that case there is no slug, so just put the subcategory like this. So if this happens, if I click here, you see category equal to sport and subcategory is nothing. If I click here, you see category equal to technology and subcategory is nothing. So I will have to search by slug in that page, that is the category.php page. So if I go here, you will see in that case in the right side there is a sidebar. So you see in the home page there is a sidebar, and if I go to the home page, you will see that there is a sidebar. The similar thing you will be able to get into the post page. So here is the similar sidebar in the right side, right? So I will put a common sidebar here. So I am going to put a sidebar sidebar.php in the front end. So in the index.php where the sidebar starts, so you see the sidebar starts here. So I am going to put all the sidebar contents that are given here. This is also the widget up to this. So the widget ends here. So I am going to sidebar.php and paste all the data here. So this is actually my sidebar content. So I will work with the sidebar into here, and in the index.php I will have to call that. So here it will be PHP, and here include sidebar.php. Okay, so there will be no problem at all. If you refresh, you see the sidebar comes here, not here. Home page you see sidebar comes here. And in the post page I will do the same thing. So I will have to call the sidebar, and inside what is there I am going to remove, and also I will remove the last one that is here, and here I call the sidebar.php. So okay, and now in the category page there is also a sidebar, and the same sidebar is given here. So I am going to remove the widget, all widget, and then it is the sidebar. So like this. So if I go to check the page that is the see all news sports, you see show.php, not category.php, and result. Or here you can show the result.php. It is better to view. So instead of show.php, result or all data or result.php you can put here. So I create a page by this name into here, that is result.php, and from the category.php I copy the data from here to here, so paste it. And in this case if you go, you will see that it will be result.php. So refresh again, click here, you see result.php question, this one. So category will be hot category. So I will have to make it dynamic, because in the top I have the category and subcategory in my hand. So I will check if there is no category. If not is set, then request of category or this, then it will take you to the base URL. You must have to give the category. The subcategory can be empty, but you must have to give the category. So here base URL location, otherwise it is okay. Now I am going to get all the data from the database of the particular category. So select all from categories, where slug equal to that comes here, that is the category, request of category. So this is actually category, means it is slug. I put it into the category. So in this page I grab the data by category. So here it will be PHP echo, and here I will write select all from category, where slug equal to this, and it will be category data. So category data, and not face all. Here it will be only face, and I am going to remove other things. So here I can write category data of name. So now I will check if it is working, category data of name. So you see sport, so it is coming, right? So no error, and all the sports data I will have there. That means the category data means I have the category ID also in my hand. So I am going to check all the post here, that is going to be repeated here in this location. So this one in this way it is going to be repeated. So I remove all this and keep only one here. So I remove all the data of this location. Okay, so here I am going to check this one and this one. Okay, so remove it and here run the loop. So here I am going to run that thing. Select all from post where select all from here posts where not all the thing, where the category ID in the post page, I have the category ID in my hand, but here you see in the URL there could have the subcategory also, right? Category showing here, but when I will pull the data, so some query can be changed. So when category, I am going to fix it first. So when category, then post where category ID equal to this, and order by IDDESC T1 dot, and here where T1 dot, here I call T1 join, because here is subcategory also. So join subcategories like this, join categories like this, but not this, it is T1, and then join users like this, it is not needed. Category data of ID, where category data of ID equal to this, order by this. Okay, so here all the post as post, this is also okay, but here I will have to write something like this, PHP, and this data I am going to cut and put it inside, that is going to be repeated. So this is the post data that is going to be repeated. Okay, fine. Now I am going to make it dynamic. So here this one will be post of featured photo, post of featured photo, and then there will be the title is here, it is okay, username, sorry, here I did not call this. So here this will be this user underscore name. Okay, so user underscore name, and here it will be post date, here will be post date, and post of here will be the category, so it will be the post of subcategory name, that is okay. And if I now try to refresh, not found column, not found username, post of user underscore name T4, users T4 on T4, user ID equal to this, user, it is showing 47 username in the field list, unknown column T4 dot username. What is happening? Join users T4 on T1 dot user ID equal to T4 dot ID. What is happening here? Username is there. Select T1 dot this, T2 dot this, T4 dot this, T3 dot this. If I remove this, if the error gone or not, no error is not going, that means the problem is not there, the problem is actually here, T1 dot user ID. So in the post table, what is this? I am going to check. So user underscore ID equal to T4 dot ID, T4. So there should not be any error, but it is showing error. T4 dot category ID equal to this. So what is the problem? I am going to check what is the error in this code. So here it is telling that category undefined. No, not is a SQL logic. I can show the error here. It is showing error. Error that is showing is error showing is this one, unknown column, this one, T4 dot this. Sorry, I did this. What happened? Name as. So this is the problem. Sorry, my mistake. Now you see it is coming. So actually only one data is here under the sports. If you go to the travel, you will see that see all news. You see total 3 items are showing. So all the travel news are showing here. If you click on any particular item now, then it will take you to there. So if you want to have it, so something like that. So if I now go to there, so everything is okay now the title. So title will have a slug. So PHP echo base URL and post, and here it will be PHP echo and post of slug. So refresh. If I click here, it will take me to the particular page now. So it is working. Now here I am going to discuss another thing, that is for example, when you will come here in the home page, you will see there is another one, the title or description. You can search both in places, or I can search by news title also. So if I go to the index.php, first let's check me to work with the title, search by title. Okay, so here the name equal to title. So title equal to the name, so it will take the user to there where there should be title. Here the name, here it should be the category ID is okay, because the selected item that you are going to select. You can also show here the slug is also okay. So first I am going to the bottom section from where it just go to that place. So it is actually right side, and here you see where is the category. So category equal to what is there, result.php. So in this case I tell title equal to empty and category. So that means here I refresh, then I go to see this one. So click here, you see result.php, title equal to what, category equal to travel, subcategory. So 2 items are empty here. So if there is any title, so it will be another query, that is not a problem. But for the category, what I comes here by, it is okay. So here you will have to think, there can be multiple things happened here. So subcategories can be empty or not, and title can have the other data. So here you see the categories is okay, and here you see where the where query has the issue. So here how you can write here, I am going to check if there is any search system here. So no, that was not implemented here. Okay. So the thing, the pagination. So I am going to the pagination, but before going to the pagination, another thing I will have to fix, that is if I am able to search by the travel and the subcategory. If there was any subcategory, if I am able to come into this page, it is important. So I am going index, and here there was the category. What was there, search, that is the result.php. I am coming to the search section here. there is no form, you see. So I will create a form here, and all the data will be into a form. So here the title, that means here inner, here I am going to call the form, and method will be here get, and this form I am going to put into here. So the div is this. So it is something like this, and here action equal to result, base URL result.php question, or here result.php is okay. As I use the method, the title placeholder okay. So go to the home, and if I click here to the search, you will see nothing coming. But if I give here the data search, no, it is not going. So what is happening? Form text method equal to get, and here submit search button, subcategory ID is have the name here, form action equal to this, that is the result.php, result.php with some data. I hard refresh again, click on search, nothing happening. And now I give anything like this, business, online business search, it is not working. Why? So this is the form action method equal to get result echo base URL. I am coming to the base URL, it is okay, and then result.php, and then this one input text name equal to title, this one and this one. If I remove this, let's check, search is still not working. So in the result.php, here is the issue, that is the request of category. I understand. So it is passing me to the base URL if there is no category. Here I pass the data into the category ID, not category. So that is the issue. So I just change the name by category and subcategory. Now let's try it. So now I am going to select. Yes, now it is going to the result.php, title category 7. You see, this is the ID, but I cannot send the ID. I will send the slug. So from the categories, where order by name, so here it will be slug. Okay. So in the subcategory, you get all the subcategories here. So subcategories is in my hand. So in the bottom, if I go to the Ajax, here I will have to write option value equal to slug. So now just refresh, search it, nothing works. Now I will have to give the business, and here lifestyle, it is not working anymore. It is not working because category ID was this dot change loading and get subcategories. From here I am going to get category ID, so it will be the category, where category ID equal to this. So business will have what? So here national. So this get category ID, subcategories, where category ID. Yes, here ID is needed. Get of category ID is needed here. I put the things. I again back the row of ID here. So this one search. So problem is in the top it is not working. So okay, so what I can do? So here you can put it in many ways. That means when you are going to pass this data, I am going to call an intermediate page here, PD result. For example, here PD result.php page. So when you are going to submit the data, I am going to put it into the PD result.php page. So I am just going to receive here the data, that is just pick up the data and redirect, nothing else. So what I will do, pdresult.php. So here you get the title, right? So here request of title equal to this, and here I am going to remove it, header location, and then exit. So header location, base URL, result.php, question, title equal to what is this, it is title, for example. So after going there, I will title and category and subcategory I call here. For example, the category is this one, subcategory is this one. So let's check if it is working. So when business, select online business, when lifestyle, then habit, search, you see, okay, base URL not getting. That means I will have to call the data like the header. So in the top, call the header. So now I am going to select the health, or say select the travel, search, you see in the top it is coming. That means first it is going to PD result, and you see the request of category here. If you check the category, whatever, no problem, the category ID you can also put here, that is the category ID, and here you can also put the subcategory ID. So in that case you will have to call here the category ID and subcategory ID. It is okay, no problem. And here you can write category ID and subcategory ID. So from the ID, what is my target? My target is to get the slug from the category ID. So PHP select, and here I am going to delete this, and here is category data equal to only face. Select all from categories where ID equal to this is the category ID. Okay, so it is the category ID. So category ID will be here. So in this way I should get all the data, and another one will be here, that is subcategory. Select all from subcategories where ID equal to subcategory ID, and subcategory data equal to this. So here I can call the category equal to category data of slug, subcategory equal to slug. So in this way you can fix this one, that is health, weight loss, submit, you see health and subcategory weight loss. So in this way you can fix it. You can select the sport and cricket, submit, you see sport and cricket. So sports data is showing. Now my target is to show the cricket data also. But I hope you have understood what is going to be here. There is no query, just passing the data to get the slug. So in the result.php, when I get the data, then what I can do is I can select the data. That means, for example, I select here, so title. So there is no title, but here if you see, search by, for example, the title seat any, for example, seat any, and here you see there is a category and subcategory becomes here optional because you did not select any category and subcategory. If you do not select any subcategory or category, that is also possible, right? So in this case, the category if not is set, you can check the is set, but you cannot check the empty because it can be empty. So if not is set this, or not is set subcategory, there must be is set, but empty is not a problem. So if you select here, you see everything is empty, but it will not go back outside of there. So problem is into the line number 18. So it is okay that line number 18 has error because I do not have any category here. So category is not important here. That is, if there is no category, so that is okay. If there is no subcategory, that is okay. So search by, so you are going to search by what? So that is the important. So here I can write here search result. So you can give here search result, and here instead of category, here actually breadcrumb should not have anything like this, because category and subcategory cannot stay here, so it is not important. And the another one is line number 47. Yes, so I will have to modify this in many ways. So how I can modify it, it is important. I am going to try that if the category is empty or not. Category not found, no, it is not mandatory that category wise result will be needed to show. The title like, it is also okay. So where t1 dot title like, where how it will apply this one, it is important. Where 1 equal to 1 and t1 dot category id equal to this. In this way I can call it. You see there is no major change here. Okay, if I just remove this one, so what happens, you will see all the data are showing here. So it is working. Where 1 equal to 1, and so this is the data. I will write in this way or not. Where this one and t1 dot title, t1 dot title like what. So this is important. So 3 items. If these are the 3 items, then what will happen, I am going to check this query into here. If title, that means the title means here it is coming request of title. If request of title not equal to empty, then what I will write, I will write title equal to this one. So in this case, or here data query title equal to like this request of title, that means title like this one. So query title will be and t1 dot title like this. So like what? So like of title equal to percentage, that means this one dot request title this one, and like will be here, that is the title. So title like dot title. So this query title I can use here. So here query title, it can be empty if it will be present if only the title has the data, otherwise not. Similarly, I can use if is here you can show that request must be there. Okay, if request of subcategory not equal to empty, query subcategory equal to t1.subcategory equal to hot. It will be searched into the post, it is okay. And here I call if request of category, query category equal to empty, okay. Else query subcategory empty, else query title empty. Now request of category, so here it will be query subcategory, query category. So like this. Now if I refresh, you will see fatal error, line number 66, bound variables error. So I actually do not need to have anything bound because there is nothing where query, so it is not needed. Now I am going to see, if you see, you will see that all the results are coming when there is no title, and in the title manually I use debit. It is not working, okay. What is the problem here? Fix my query. Now let's go to here, ChatGPT can help me now. What is the error here? So what is the error here? Error I get is, here I am just going to copy everything. So now let's check how it gives me solution. The problem is this and this, proper fixing. So params, they are telling me params, okay. So I will have to concat, okay. I understand what happens here. I must have to concat. So copy this, and I did not actually concat anything, so this is the issue. So here it will be like this. So params is an array, and query title equal to this, everything is error. Not empty, request of title like this. Params is query title, request of title. So params is equal to this, and then how it gives me solution, let's check it first. It is okay, SQL. So params, so execute must have the params, right? Okay. Like this, okay. And I can do another thing here. I just go back to previous, the query can be in another way. That is, I can call here main query, query equal to empty first, and then query title equal to this is okay. But in the case it will not be this. Here I will have to call the request of subquery, okay. And here also request of category, and query title equal to this, query dot equal to, so here I call query dot equal to this. Otherwise query dot equal to this, and here I use similar way, query dot equal to this, and here dot equal to this, here also this, and here dot equal to this. And in this case you can just call the query, and nothing is needed. So I am going to check now. What is still happening is, and t1 dot title equal to this, and t1 dot this equal to this. Again check this, okay. Now check the updated code of me. Error here. Abbreviated code, there is still due to improper SQL with the part. So query dot equal to and request equal to, let's check it. Then you are doing this is not a valid SQL. It will be like everything like no. So request of subcategory, no, it is not correct. Query dot equal to query. It is okay. That title has no data like this, but here it will not be integer. Here I am going to check again the error message. Check the manual. Debate order by to use near debate order by t1.desc order by. If I remove the order by, what happens? Sorry, order by, yes. If I remove the order by, so this is not a problem. Here I can use the query in this way, so that means in this way. So now it should work, I hope. What is the problem here now? Query has the space, so I put the space start and end. So now is still a problem. Like can be here something like this, and here I add like this. So if so, refresh, yes, now it is working without any problem. So debate, only debate is showing. Now remove it, all are showing. And if I put the category sport, you see it is still not showing because there is nothing in the category by sport, for example. So I let's go back now. Sports, see all news, unknown column sports into result. So still there is problem, but I fixed that title wise thing. Okay, but now my next task is to solve it by other. So t1.subcategory id, where I am going to check it, and t1.subcategory id into where my main thing is post. So in the post table I am going to check t1 dot, that means post table dot subcategory id, but here my main thing that is showing here, that is slug. So here subcategory is a slug. So in this page where I come, then by slug I get. So category data is here, where slug equal to this. So category data is in my hand, and from the subcategory if needed, where the subcategory, so if category data, when it will empty. So this is very important to understand. So when subcategory not equal to empty, then category not equal to empty, then I will show the category data, or here I again call. Okay, so not category data in this way. I am not going to put this here. Cut. Here I will write this category data or subcategory data, whatever. So category data, if not empty, then only I will search by database. So here I will write like this. So category data, where slug equal to request of category, it is actually the slug. So then the slug equal to will be the ID will be this one. So category ID will be category data of ID. So it will be category data of ID here. So like this, otherwise query is completely empty. So similar thing I am going to apply here, and here subcategory data, here call subcategory data from subcategories, where this is subcategory, and then subcategory data is this. So subcategory ID will be not request, it will be subcategory data of ID. So this is the thing here. So now I am going to refresh. You see, yes, it is working. So sports data is working here. If you now go to have the travel, go here, you see only the travel items are here. And if you go to have the lifestyle, habit, search, you see lifestyle, habit both are searching here. And if you go to the sports and football, you see sports, football is here. From here, if you select a sport but cricket, you will see there is no data here. So it is excellent, it is working. And if you give here all the themes, Bheni, but category is travel and adventure, nothing will be shown because Bhen added. If I remove the Bhen, it is coming. So everything here is working perfectly in the result page. Now I am going to show you all the things that are here. For example, I click on search, that means all the data will come here, but here by default it was selected, so I had refresh and search. You see all the data are coming here. So in this case, if whatever the query is, I am going to apply the pagination here. So I am going to close the things, only I will keep the result. And in this case, my pagination code starts from here to here, you see. So all the data of my pagination is here. So now I am going to apply this. So here the help general is the text here. So I am going to check my raw PHP pagination has already I have described in my YouTube channel. So if you go there, you will easily get that. So anyway, I am going to now here, and here I am going to search by pagination. And in this case of pagination, the default pagination is here, I think. So this is the thing I am going to copy first. So this is the thing. Here you see the loop starts here, and the outside here is the main query, and outside there is main query here. So I am going to show how to work with this. Now here I am going after the perform the query, here I am going to write something that was the pagination codes. So here the pagination was here. So per page is 4, and how many items? Here I give 2 items, for example, and select all. It was my query, but here I am going to get the all data. It is okay, but my query will be something like that. So execute is this, and row count. So I copy the data from here, and I am going to replace or place it here. So it will be Q, for example. Okay. So here remove this. So this is the data here. And now after this, the next step is here, that is the for each loop, and this one. And here if I want to show, so okay, this one is also okay, that are given after this start and this one. So now I am going here, race, it is actually not race equal to q fetch all. Q fetch all is here. Okay, so q fetch all is this, race equal to this, it is also okay. Now after that there is the main query, and again result, right? So result as row. So this was the main query, and into the main query I will apply this one. That means when it starts, I apply this one. So this is the query. Okay, so row of ID. What is actually the row of ID here? So row of ID means this row of ID. So here I have the post, so it will be actually the post of ID in this case. So if I now go to refresh, you see only 2 items are here, and the pagination that is in the bottom, I will have to make it dynamic. And in order to make the pagination dynamic, you see it actually starts from here and end here. So this is for the previous, this is middle, and this is for the next button. So copy the codes from here, and I am now going to apply this one here. So that means here I will have to write a PHP code and here paste all the data. So I am going to use this one. Here I will have to change something. That means here you see a anchor links JavaScript is this. So this is the previous. So previous is this one, and this one. And here you see there is a main URL here. So in the top of the pagination here I can call the URL equal to and it can be, for example, the base URL dot, here is result dot php, base URL result dot php is here. That means this one, and after the result then there will be something, that means question title equal to what. So it can be something like that. I am going to check it. Title equal to URL encode is okay. Request of title, that means here is, if I go to the top, purpose, okay. So here I am going to check it. So the title, request of title, here actually subcategory data is in my hand, so subcategory is okay, but request of subcategory is also here. So here I am going to write request of title, category, and subcategory. Category equal to this and subcategory equal to this. If this is the URL, then my task will be easy. And here you see for the previous item, this is the link. So copy this, and not only for previous 1, 2, 3, 4, and next for all the cases, this is the main link here. So previous data, that means actually here echo. So here I can use in this way. So I put here inside like this. And here the main thing is JavaScript void is the link in this case. So here is equal to JavaScript void, and then style has nothing, and previous is previous, no problem. So remove this. So this is one particular link. Now I am going to copy and go to this case. So here similarly PHP, and here I am going to write like this, and here the URL will be here you see there is a href. Here I will have to write php echo URL. So here after the URL I am going to show here that and php equal to, here you see p equal to. So here I am going to write href equal to this and p equal to. So p equal to request of p minus 1 in this case. So something like that. Yes, it should work. And in the bottom what will happen, it will be the similar to this. So I copy this and paste it here, JavaScript void again. So something like that. So now I am going to refresh to check if left side is working. You see the left side is working. And now the middle means here I am going to copy this and paste it here. So what things I need to change is the URL has p equal to I. So here echo will be I. So p equal to I, and here instead of this it will show the value of I, and this one is not needed anymore. So remove this. Now it is the next. So in the case of next I can copy this data, and in the case of next but before going there, you see, yes, it is working. Now I am going to remove the static data. It is not needed anymore. And in the case of next, first one is next. So here, sorry, here is this. Instead of previous, it will be next. And first one is JavaScript void, so remove it. And now here I am going to put, that will be here p equal to 2. So here I will write, not this one, I will have to write, for example, the middle one. So this one I copy, and here I put it, and here it will be p equal to 2 here, and it is next. So next p equal to 2, so remove it. And the main part is here, so I put here request p plus 1, so it will be p plus 1, and it will be the next, and nothing changes here. So in this way it should work, I hope. So refresh, you see. So go to 2, you see next 2 items, so result.php, title, category, subcategory, and at last p equal to 2. So if I go to 3, page number 3, 2 items, if I want, and if I go to the next, you see 2 more items. In the last item it will not be shown, in the previous page, but this is the last, so it will not come to the left. So actually the pagination is working here, you see. So I am going to home page again, and now I want to show this here, all the news, these 2, and here is total 3 items. So pagination is perfectly working, and I hope you understand the system of the pagination. So the search result page is actually working without any issue. Okay, so instead of 2, if my item is more than 2, then the pagination, you can stop the pagination. So call md this one. Here I can use the pagination, for example, if total post is greater than total pages is greater than per page. So per page item is, for example, 2. For now it is okay. So here is per if per page item, current page, no, if per page item is greater than total, so then no result found. So per page item equal to total, no result found means here is I do not here I am going to write something that is I want to show pagination only when the total items are bigger than per page items. For example, I want to give the total items equal to 4 items, and per page item equal to 4 items. And if per page item is 4 and total item 9, then there will be a pagination. So when the pagination will show only when the total item is greater than, total might is bigger than the per page item. So okay, so use here PHP if total is greater than per page, and then only the pagination will be shown. So here I can use like this, and this one will be here, that is the end if. So it is also okay. So refresh, you see pagination is showing because here I set 2 items, but if I set 3 items but I have 2 items in my hand, then pagination will not be shown. So here I can write here total 10 items, it is better. So refresh, you see pagination will come only after the 10 items, otherwise the pagination will not be shown here. And yes, it is working. Here you see 6 items. still more items are needed to have the pagination here. And in here the breadcrumb home, it does not actually look good, so I can remove the breadcrumb container from here. Search result is okay, and here if I do not remove it, here is a gap, underline, right? So underline is better, so I'm going to check where is the underline. So 2 underlines does not good, but still I am going to check if I can remove one. So inspect element, and here you see this is the heading. Where is my heading? Search the result, and this one, breadcrumb container border bottom. Here I can show this, and style equal to border bottom none or 0. So now you will see only one underline here, so it looks better. So I hope you understand the things, how I have handled this. So I can add more post here so that the section becomes more appealing and more it looks better. So I am going to apply, for example, the sports category has only one thing, so I can add many more sports. For example, I am going to add the thing here that will be like this. So copy and add new item, and here description is this one, and this one is the title, so something like that. Slug will be, for example, this one. So here it is the hyphen, so this one will be a hyphen. So this is the slug, and it is the sport, and the category is here cricket. So I am going to search the photo, so I am going to Google, and in the Google I am going to search cricket image, and here I just apply this one. You can just save this, okay? So I am now going to save the photo, and then I am going to save it into download or something like that, so it is okay. Now I am going to select it. So from the download I am going to select this photo, and tag is cricket Australia sport, something like that. Submit. You see it is added, and here you see this one is added. Now you can add any other sports, for example man sports. And what is the sport? I can just use baseball, and now you can pick up an attractive photo here, baseball event, and here you can just hot photo. I am going to just put a nice photo so that it looks better. Here what is the good photo? So this is okay. Okay, this looks better, but not now. This one. So this is okay. I am now going to copy this one and save it. So save the photo. Now I go here, that means this one, and add new item. And before going to new item, subcategory I am going to add, that is baseball, and it will be under the sports, right? So it is under the sports. So in the post I am going to put a sport, and here baseball. Okay, and now I am going to put the title. It is not title, description is this, and here I just copy this thing. So this is my title, and it I am going to give in this way. And for example this one, So remove this, and the photo that I selected, I am going to here, this one I select it, and now I am going to give a sport baseball and click on submit, and it is added. So another photo is added here, and football I can use another without adding new category. I can use the another football photo. So here you can write this one, and I am going to take the screenshot of this. So just have a screenshot, and now save the photo. Now I am going to add another one. So add new one. So description, something like that, and here I am going to use this as a URL and remove others. And here the photo I am going to select, that is here, this one, and tag is football and Brazil, something like that. Submit. Category cannot be empty. Why? Sport, football. I again select this one, and so now like this. So this one, football, sport, Brazil, and I think all are selected now, and it is added. So if you go, you will see another photo has been added here. So total three items, and I am going to add another one that can be the cricket also. So I am going to write cricket, and here just use this photo. Now I am going to select it, and now remove it. Okay, so from here now I am going to copy the data, so something like that. So this one, and here use this one, and this is the heading, and heading is this, and here I am going to put, so this one will be like this. So this is slug, and now after that this is cricket Bangladesh sport, it is okay. And here I am going to select that means this one, and it is a sport, and it will be under the cricket. So it should be added without any problem. You see, it is added. So in the sports category, you see now all the things are added here, baseball, football, etc. coming here. Okay, and now if you see, this section is 4 items, and here 1 item is completed. Now the technology. In the case of technology, you see that computer is okay. Mobile technology, I am going to write mobile technology. So here you can select any kind of image, no problem. And here I am going to add the photo. So in this way I can save it. Now add the item after that, which is this one. So add new, and this one double I am going to add it. This is the title. Here it will be something like that. So just copy this 3, and this will be my slug, and this is technology and mobile, and I am going to select the photo, and it is the technology mobile, and submit the data. You see it is added. So refresh, you see the technology photo added. Here are two items. And computer, mobile, and what are the technology? Computer and mobile is okay. If you want, you can add more. That means computer. Here is computer technology, and here I can put a lot of photos here. So try to put a photo that looks better. And here I am going to write this one. This one should be like this. So here I am going to save the photo, and here I am going to copy this one and this one like this. So title, and here is this EA, and like this one, remove all this. So computer chip tech, and now I am going to select technology, and here is computer, and here select the photo that is here. So submit it, and in the technology you will see this one coming here. And after that here will be another last one for the technology. So let's go there. So this is the thing I am going to copy, add this, and here description, this one, this one, this one. This one is the title. I am going to put the title here like this, and here is this one. So here no gap, and here write like this. So this is technology computer, and what is the computer technology? I add another photo that can be this photo. So not like this, I am going to use a real life type photo. So this is okay, and now I am going to copy this. Where is the photo? So this is the photo. So I am now going to copy, not copy. I am now going to save this. So I am going to save the data. So that means I am going to save it here. So now close this. I am going to select computer, and here I am going to select the photo, and here is computer, and the photo will be something like this. What type of photo? Okay, Word, I can use Word, internet, this type of things I can add here. You see it is added. So refresh it, you see added. So 4 items added here. So here total 5, here total 5. And the travel, here the travel, actually this photo does not go with the travel. So here I can add it under the health. So health, weight loss is okay, weight, health, exercise, fruit, but for travel it does not go. So here I will have to add the travel, and here in the case of photo, so what can be the travel photo? The travel photo is travel photo. So the travel has a lot of photos, so I am going to add this. So here are photos, many kinds of photos are there in for the travel. So I am going to make a clear photo. So this is a clear photo. So I am going to copy the data from here, save it, save the photo, and now from here I am going to select this, and okay, I am just change the photo here, travel, it is okay. Now refresh, you see travel photo comes here, and another place, the travel photo I can save, that is this photo is good. So I am going to open the photo. I want to free download. So I am going to just save. You can save the photo small size, no problem, because this is a testing purpose, so a small size photo is okay. And now I am going to add a new one, or the car photo I can change, that was saved here, that is the travel. So here I can change the photo, not the car. Here I will have to change the tag, that is the plane, adventure travel plane. So update it. Okay, so now refresh, you see this is updated. Now I am going to add total 3 more photos here. So I am going to add new one, that is the travel explore, and there will be like this. And I am going to add the title like this one, and here this one, and here this one. And here I am going to use this as a slug. So here the slug will be like this, the slug will be like this. Okay, so travel explore. Now another photo I will need, travel, main travel photo C. So in the case of C, how it looks like, no, not C. I use a good looking photo, I try to use. So it can be this one as a travel photo, or here I use a better one. So travel nature, so I use here nature C photo. Now this one is good. So just save this photo and then save it. Okay, and now I am going to select the photo that is here, and travel nature. So click on submit, it should come here. So 1, 2 and 2 more items needed. So I am going to copy the data from here and add 2 more information. So copy this data from here like this, and from here I just use this one. So this one, so travel, and under travel adventure and more adventure photo I am going to add another one here, that is this one. And now I am going to save the photo, the nice photo. I am going to save it, and now I am going to select the photo, so this one. So see, tree nature, and now submit. You see this one is added here. So the last one I am going to check in the travel, that can be which one. A good looking photo is needed here. That can be this one, or this one. This one looks good, so just save this. So I am going to save this one, and now here I am going to copy the data from this place, and now add the last one. So technology, travel and adventure and photo I am going to save like this, and the heading will be here, this one. So these two, and here you will be like this. So I hope my task is done. So refresh, you see. So total how many photos are here? Sports, these photos, travel, these photos. So it is okay and fine. Now if you go here, you see in the top there are something to link here. I will show you that. Now I am going to show the issue of the menus. For example, here you see parenting, weight loss, etc. given here. So what I can do is like the search result here, what you see is I send the user to a page, that means honors result and PD result page. So there was another page. So in the menu, what I can do is I am going to open the nav.php now, and here there is a drop down, so based on this drop down, and here it was home is okay. So from categories and subcategories, so if there a person click on the menu, then where he will be taken. So here I am going to write echo base URL, and after the base URL, where I will go to take him, that is, if I want to show that I have in both cases the database, okay. So result.php question, here title is not is nothing, and subcategory and category, first one is category equal to row 1 of slug, not subcategory. Here category equal to, you see, show name order by, so that means the row. So row of ID I will put here, but that is the ID, so row of slug, so row of slug, and here is subcategory equal to row 1 of slug. So let's do that. If I click on parenting, you see there is no result. If I click on cricket, you see cricket news are here. If I click on football, you see football news, computer news, okay. But where there is no news, that is not showing here. So in case of result, if there is no news, if you want, you can show the blank data here. So that means here you see the news starts here. So if there is nothing, that means total pages, here you see the total. So if total equals 0, here echo no news. So if I refresh it, you see the no news found. Parenting, where there is news, that will be shown, otherwise it will show no news. But not like that, I will show it into a call MD. So here I am going to write something like that, that is call MD 12. No result found for your search criteria, or no result was found. You can also put like this, no result was found. So let's check it, how alerts showing, but no, it does not look good. So here I am going to write call MD12. So where is the div? In no result was found, and here there will be a div. So if you use the alert, it will be shown here, but I think here if I can use bash busy danger, how it looks like, I am going to check it. No result, no, this is still not good. So text center, text red is okay, and that is text danger. So normally no result of found is okay. So go to habit, nothing, insurance nothing, Dhaka nothing, weight loss data, adventure, technology, here is data, but where there is no data, no result was found. So that means the menu is working without any problem. It is clearly working. So the data on the menu are showing.